10 Popular Ways to Capture a Screen on Android. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore 10 of the most popular and convenient ways to take screenshots on Android devices. While methods can vary slightly depending on the phone brand and Android version, these techniques cover nearly all major options available today. Power plus volume down buttons. The most universal method is using the power and volume down buttons together. Simply press and release both buttons simultaneously, and your phone will capture the screen instantly. This works on nearly all modern Android smartphones, regardless of brand. Screenshot Quick Settings Tile. Another convenient option is the Screenshot tile in the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down twice from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings, then tap the Screenshot tile. If you don't see it, you can edit the panel to add it. This method is quick and widely supported on many Android devices. Screenshot option in App Overview. You can also take screenshots directly from the App Overview or Recents screen. Access it by swiping up and holding, or pressing the Overview button, then tap the Screenshot button on the active app card. This option is common on phones with gesture navigation or 3-button systems. Voice command, Google Assistant or Bixby. If you prefer hands-free control, you can use a voice assistant. Activate Google Assistant or Bixby and say, "Take a screenshot." Your device will automatically capture the screen. This is ideal when you can't use your hands or need quick access. Palm Swipe Gesture, Samsung. Samsung users can enjoy a unique gesture method. After enabling it under Settings, Advanced Features, Motions and Gestures, swipe the edge of your hand across the screen. This instantly takes a screenshot, a signature feature of Galaxy phones. 3-finger swipe gesture, OnePlus, Oppo, Xiaomi. Some brands like OnePlus, Oppo, and Xiaomi offer a similar gesture. Enable it in your phone's gesture settings, then swipe down using 3 fingers to capture the screen. It's fast and intuitive once activated. S Pen, Screen Write, Samsung. On Samsung Galaxy devices with an S Pen, you can use the Screen Write feature. Remove the S Pen, open the Air command menu, and select Screen Write. Your phone takes a screenshot and immediately allows you to write or draw on it. Power button menu. Many Android phones also integrate screenshot options into the power button menu. Press and hold the power button, then tap Screenshot from the options. The availability may vary depending on your phone's brand and software version. Quick Tap Back Tap Gesture, Google Pixel. On Google Pixel devices, there's a gesture called Quick Tap. Enable it under Settings, System, Gestures and assign it to Take Screenshot. Now, double tapping the back of your phone will instantly capture your screen, a clever and convenient feature. Scrolling Screenshot, Capture More. Finally, for long pages, you can use Scrolling Screenshot or Capture More. After taking a standard screenshot, tap the Capture More button to scroll and capture the entire page. This feature is available on Android 12 and later, and it's perfect for saving full conversations or web pages. And that wraps up our guide to the 10 most popular ways to take screenshots on Android. Whether you prefer button combinations, gestures, voice commands, or advanced features, there's a method that fits your style.